divide 67 by 2. So here we divide 67 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0, and now this 0 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 7 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is again less than 2. So we put here decimal and we keep here 0. So now it becomes 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 67 divided by 2 we get 33 decimal 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.